Adding events and notices are very similar. Only on events, you do have just slightly more functionality. So I'll show an event. We literally go to events, click add a new event. Alternatively, you could go to the plus sign up here and you could choose event. Okay, so first of all, we want to give our event a name. What we need to consider before we do any of this is, if we look over on the side here, you can see event categories. Now, we've preloaded this with cinema, music, sport, theatre, but you could create your own. You could create a sporting event or a community event or anything you like. So you simply just add a new category by clicking this link here. Okay, so we're going to create an event called Summer Fun Run. Whoops, Summer Fun Run. Okay, so we'd simply type the details of the event in this space. We could say what to wear. We could give route details and even a contact number for the organizer. Okay, we can add photographs like we've seen earlier by simply clicking on add media, and we can either upload a file or we can use one that we've already got in our library, so we'll click that one. Okay, we want to align this left and we'll insert that into the post there. Okay, and then obviously we choose a category. I'm going to choose sport, but again you can add others, and set a featured image. And what the featured image does is, if we go to the events, okay, this is on our demonstration website, so if we go to events, you can see that is a featured image, so is that, and here's some posts without featured images. So if you don't add a featured image, this is what it would look like on the event page, and if you do add a featured image, obviously you get this nice effect up at the top here. So what we'll do is we'll choose that image again as our featured image, set featured image, and then the difference between events and notices, we said that events have some slightly different functionality. If this was a notice now, we could literally just click publish and away it would go. Okay, but on events we can, and we don't have to, but we can, if we like, select a date and a time. So let's say May the 31st, and let's say it's going to start at 10 AM. Okay, click done. In the event location, you can put Town Hall, and if you want to show the location on a map, and this is what will look like if you do. See, we can get the location on the map. Then all we do is click enable, and you can put a postcode in there. So I'm going to put WA10 1DR, which is a town centre website in St Helens. You can choose what map type you want, whether it's a road map, satellite, terrain, hybrid, and you can choose what zoom level as well. You can enable people to scroll by literally using their mouse on the map, and that's it, we're done. Click publish, and then if we go to the front of our website and click refresh, we can see there's our summer fun run that we've just published. We'll click onto that, and you can see it's added our map as well. People can zoom in, they can even pick this up and drop it and have a look round. Okay, so that's how to add an event or a notice. On the event, you will get the option to set a time, as you can see here, and a date, and even a location. And that's all.